Hello everyone, welcome to Amu's cooking channel. Since the summer is coming up and to beat the heat, today I brought a quick drink recipe that will refresh you when it's really hot and humid outside. The drink is Virgin Mojito. Here I have picked some mint leaves from my garden. I'm going to grind them using the pestle. Now I will add the lime pieces in it and squeeze them just so juice comes out. Now this is ready. Put it to a side. I'm making this for 2 people, so 2 glasses. Add 2 spoons of lemon juice. Then add the crushed mint and lime pieces. Add powdered sugar in it. I'm using crushed ice, so add some crushed ice in it. Then top it up with Sprite. You can use club soda if you want, but I like Sprite, so I'm using Sprite. Now using a straw, give it a quick mix. Now garnish it with the lime slice and fresh mint. There you go, it's ready. It's not that hard. Hope you like this recipe. For similar quick recipe video, please subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and tell us in the comment what you think of it. Thank you and bye for now.